Hello and assalamualaikum. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Exploring different romper designs opens up a world of creativity for knitters. From the classic garter stitch romper, known for its cozy simplicity, to the playful striped romper that adds a splash of color, each design offers its unique charm. For those looking for texture, the cable knit romper provides elegant detailing, while the lacy romper adds a delicate touch, perfect for summer. Animal-themed rompers bring whimsy to baby wear, and the button-down design ensures practicality with ease of dressing. A hooded romper adds extra warmth, while the overall style romper combines comfort with classic style. Sleeveless rompers are ideal for warmer climates, and a vintage-inspired design bring a nostalgic flair. Each design can be customized with various yarns and colors, making every project a personalized and special creation. So I hope you enjoyed our today's video. If you did and you want to see more content like this, then please give a like to our video, share your thoughts in the comment section, and also subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the notification bell on. Don't forget to share our videos. Now we will see you in our next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.